Pronunciation practice from the essay Dream Children, a Reverie by Charles Lamb. Field, James Elia, Alice, John, Bartram, Norfolk, Robin, Redbreasts, Bridget, Lethe, Grandmother, Missed, Footed, Haunted, Gazing, Receding, Lawn, Infants, Peaches, Mansion, Nectarines, Carved, Staircase, Bachelor, Holidays, Roaming, Purchased, Presentment, Reverie, Quarreling, Graceful, Upbraiding, Expanded, Relinquish, Deposited, Dividing, Involuntary, Crossness, Ripening, Impatient, Mediated, Basking, Flavors, Spirited, Guilt, Special, Concourse, Explained, Mettlesome, Grandame, Uttermost, Midway, Darted, Fainter, Limb, Millions, Baits, Preferred, Shores, Tombs, Gardening, Mocked, Quarrelled, Stead, Friskings, Stipped, Neighborhood, Grapes, Corners, Strolling, Prayed, Boundaries, Panels, Rubbed, Abbey, Incidents, Unchanged, Strangely, Stoop, Eyebrows, Features, Traditionary, Coated, Pluck, Ballad, Orangery, Morning, Adjoining, Mournful, Innocents, Moping, Impertinent, Fluttering, Bowed, Hunters, Emperors, Tapestry, Grandchildren, Tedious, Apparition, Coyness, Limes, Committed, Melancholy, Heightened, Sultry, Tawdry, Sulky, Fashioned, Eye, Slyly, Admiration, Persisting, Fur, Betwixt, Courageous, Awaking, Gilding, Ages, Maidens, Considerate, Esteemed, Sufficiently, Newer, Dreams, Spacious, You, Unobserved, Allowances, Digested, Armchair, Oaken, Busts, Attended, Gliding, Elders, Diversions, Berries. Thank you.